I have a feeling it's about to be stupid.
Where am I?
Yeah.
He needs 2 more arrows.
Guys, help me!
Yeah. Where am I going?
Everybody
Are you ready?
3, 1, 2, 1.
We gotta go.
No! Yo! Ow! I'm still. Yo! I'm still holding myself.
I forgot to grab mine.
I forgot to let go.
I grabbed mine. Ah! I still have my grabbed. Ah! Yo! Yeah!
I'm the only one who's still.
Yo, who keep... Yo!
Oh, dude.
Ah!
Yo!
Oh my god.
I'm grabbed onto his back, chat.
Hop on my
What's
back.
up,
Yo, what is this?
Hi.
You have a little robot power on your back.
I farted. Guys, don't tell him that I
Guys,
just farted on
alright, I'm
his
gonna explode him because he's taking forever.
back. Look at me over there. Yeah.
Where is he? Yeah, and I made it the freaky way.
Man, I don't think I have arrows anymore.
Yo, what happened to my arm? What happened to my arm? Look in the mirror.
Wait, awesome dude. Turn, awesome dude. Go real quick. I have the perfect idea.
Wait, guys,
Awesome dude.
Fuck. Yeah,
Yeah.
freaking go to get, bro. Frick you, man.
Yeah. I know my
Yeah, what you
ex.
get, bro?
He
Frick
took
you.
my ex.
What's so funny?
There's like 5 of them.
Oh my god, I hit him.
Anyway, I think you should sub. And this is 100% not a teaser for the new collab coming up. Bye bye.